Okay, back on our 89, 88, I don't know, Foxbody Mustang build, Tetanus. We've got parts, let's get it. I got seats from a guy. Once I told him what we were doing with the channel, he donated injectors, valve covers, some Southside lift bars. Really good guy, Jacob, I appreciate it. Got clutch quadrant, clutch cable, MSD box. This literally just came in. Super excited to be partnering up with Evil Energy. Their products are amazing and they're not super expensive. I originally went to them because their fuel lines and their fittings are just black. They're not silver, anodized red, anodized blue. I get it if you're into that. That's the old school stuff. It's cool, but I like the black stuff. I like to be able to hide it at a glance. That's what got my attention to them the first. It was a way to run AN lines and not be seen. But then after using them for everything, I've used these guys on the fuel pumps and filters, the fuel lines, the return, on everything I build, on the 48, on the ProCharge 59 model truck. I've had their fuel system on that truck for at least 7 years. No issues, zero. Great stuff. Let's check out what they sent us. So it looks like this is the fuel cell. Big Daddy. It's got the foam insert, it's got the sending unit. Seal's nice. Let's check out the lines. There's the dash 6 stuff. More fittings, more lines. Holders, and this is added bonus. I didn't know they had this. It looks like an installation tool. Might need some more line, but I think that'll get me started.
The dash in Tetanus is just roached. It's a basket case. I'm gonna pull the one out of the black convertible donor car.
So if the coupe is Tetanus, then this thing is Hippatitus. Hippatitus B, C, and probably D.
Boy, you drop a bolt in this piece of shit, it's gone for life. And I lost the socket. Never get that back. Gotta get it back. It's the only 8 I got. Again, send me 8mm, 1/4" drive, please. I remember when it was the working on the car that was the hard part, not finding your tools. Let me go see if I got another socket fit somewhere. I don't understand. It's like this whole YouTube channel is powered off of 8mm sockets. And we lose, I'd say, at least 3 an episode. That's insane. So let's get this trunk open. Got the key, which we're gonna work on that today too. There we go. Oh, forgot about all that stuff. What's this? Oh, it's Mugg Custom stickers. Oh, and there's more. It's the wagon shirt. $29, muggcustoms.com. The OG shop shirt. It's only $20, muggcustoms.com, plus tax, title, and license. I know, calm down. I'm just trying to fund the channel, trying to keep these builds going. And you guys have been amazing this past week. Sold more merch in this 1 week than I have since I started the channel. So let's buckle down. If you can buy a t-shirt or a sticker, I'd appreciate it. If you can't, I still appreciate that too. Like, subscribe, hit that notifications button. Subscribe to the channel. There's literally less than 10% of the people that watch this channel subscribe to it. I feel like we could get to 15,000 really freaking fast. Okay guys, so it's windy today. Every plane in the United States Air Force is running training missions, which I'm cool with that, but just there's gonna be noise. It ain't that bad. So after further review, I'm gonna build a fake floor, shape it the way I need it. This piece I could probably weld back in. I didn't need to cut that out. I cut it out because I had a little bend in it and I thought it was keeping things from happening. Pretty ghetto, but it'll hold the fuel cell. Once I get the pumps and the filters, and I know where everything's gonna be, I can build the floor around the tank. You got your brake, your clutch. Almost too simple is this ratchet plastic design quadrant. And you can tell by the bob or the looks like solder to keep this engaged what the problem is. The clutch adjustment slips and all of a sudden you think you don't have a clutch. A lot of you, this is going to be pretty boring because this was addressed, I don't know, 35 years ago, but it's a quadrant aluminum piece that fits in place of this one. Takes the adjustment out of here and puts it either in a firewall adjustment. I actually prefer the true adjustable cable. I know it's a little cumbersome to have to crawl under the car to adjust it, but these seem to work better for me. I don't know why. I'm gonna break this down right quick and we're gonna remove all these sensors. Brake lights already broke. Clean it up, spray paint it, put the quadrant on it, reinstall it, and we'll get the clutch cable installed. There is supposed to be a bracket that holds this. Probably go get it off the black car. So that's the bracket I need to grab. Squeeze that together somehow. Okay. Normally, brake booster would hold the clutch pedal assembly. I don't have that right now, so I'm just gonna throw 4 bolts in there to get everything lined out and installed. Before we do that, what are the odds of that brake booster being good? More importantly, what are the odds of me not getting tetanus, like literally tetanus, pulling it out? I'm gonna go check it out. You know, because even if it's bad, I'm still replacing it anyway. Do it at the bulkhead, pull all of it off at once, put it all in this car at once, and then all I'm running is new brake lines from that distribution block. And think about it if it works. Like, that's free money. I gotta go try it. Oh, look at this dude. What, I owe you money or something? What are you doing? This guy. What's up, man? What's up?
My man.
How are you doing? Good to see you.
See you too, man.
Oh, snap. Oh, you don't have a mic on. Let's go get a mic.
Here, let me see the mic. Let me just talk it. Hi.
If you want, while I'm in there, you know, you're here, let's get to work.
Yeah.
Let's undo these brake
I'm back.
lines. Here. Cut those, cut that, because I'm going to pull all of this out in one piece. Put it in the car in one piece. Here.
I come back for 1 second and now we don't care about anything. Now we're back to cutting.
Look, if get that hot hello, how you doing bullshit out the way, you're in or you're out. Be with us.
That last video where you were cutting this section,
Uh-huh.
you're like, oh, we're like drilling every little, and then we're gonna do this. Nobody's aggressive today. There's no aggression. I was like, who is this guy? But I've already cut that all the way. As long as these are.
Oh, I needed to cut there. I wanted to keep those. You silly dog.
You wanted to cut where?
Underneath the block, not above it. I wanted to cut here and take this with me.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
We have more of those lines.
Oh, yeah. Sure. Oh, wait.
Is there a clip on there?
Yeah.
Get rusty dog.
I bought it from Cat over in Justin, Texas.
You want me to push her back in?
Yeah. I need to grab a pair of pliers. Okay, should be able to pull it out now. Just like new. Why buy new when used will do?
Uh-oh, I got brake fluid on the paint.
Oh, for God's sake, David. You're here 10 minutes and already.
Can't take me anywhere.
All right, I think it'll hold itself now. Davo.
Yep, it's good.
May not be tight, but it ain't going nowhere. Okay.
I'm just gonna knock on wood right now. I'm not even gonna say it.
Oh, that's fair.
I will say that I have been taking my old man vitamins though. I feel like that's what helps. A, B, C, D, E, you know?
Oh, you just running through the gauntlet? The
Yeah,
alphabet?
just all of them. Just like a multivitamin that has like what's B, C, D, K2, just the basic ones. Zinc, magnesium,
Carbide.
just the all, you know, all the old man shit. First thing we're gonna do is,
No pressure. We're filming this.
okay.
No, go ahead. Yeah,
Okay.
just make sure that goes in that little cup.
Oh,
I'm just saying,
That's what
man.
she
I've
said.
seen people, not you. I've seen people miss the cup. Next thing you know, this shifter's a piece of shit. No, it's not
well,
really.
it's in the cup. See,
All right. Turn that negative into a positive.
you know me. I'm about turning negatives into positives.
That's right.
I mean,
If it's a positive, it's a great thing. If it's a negative, it's an opportunity. How you like that corporate?
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. And I'm gonna have to use that in my next team meeting.
Yeah. It's your choice. Is this an opportunity or a downfall?
Oh, man,
I need to
man,
make
we
a
got.
t-shirt.
You,
So that was a nice visit with David. Try to get the engine management harness pushed through. Get the ECU mounted. And while this is antiquated technology, it does still work. You just got to tune around it instead of using it because you can't even get the chips for this stuff anymore. We're gonna just bamboozle this right through this hole. And just like that. Okay, so quick rundown. We've installed the fuel cell in the back, cut the back of the floor out. I've got fuel pumps, fuel filters, fuel line kits from Evil Energy. We got the positive stop shifter installed in the T5. I've got the adjustable clutch quadrant installed. I've got the new adjustable cable installed. I've got the engine management harness from the engine through the firewall installed. Now I'm going to, we're gonna push this out, put it in the bay with the lift. I want to mount the fuel pumps, mount the filters, figure out what fittings and additional lines I need to get everything going. Oh my goodness. If Elite Fabrication's what you're looking for, you're on the right channel. You're not going to get that kind of quality anywhere else. I can fix all this from underneath. I just don't have any metal. Nothing but drops. Let me show you. That's it. That's all I got. All right, so I'm thinking just right down here. Straight shot. You know what? I'm getting tired of breaking into this. Why don't we fix that too while we're here? So I bought this combo pack and it supposedly makes everything use the same keys like the cop cars. Ignition, trunk, the whole nine. So I'll go ahead and do the trunk right now if I can. Oh, it even has a glove box key. Okay, I had to go rob this one out of the convertible because mine in here is missing this piece that actually turns against the clicker. It's got a good actuator in it also, so. This goes, oh, I think that went, I don't really remember. There we go. Just like that, mother effer. That's how it works, huh? Take that. Get that old thing in there. There's a good chance it doesn't open again ever. And then we can't put fuel in the car. Wouldn't that be amazing? At least get Stefan's blanket out. Okay, so all in all, we've made good progress on the car this week. I didn't get everything mounted from Evil Energy. I still got to mount the fuel pumps, the filters. I'll do all that underneath here. I've got to get some more metal so I can finish the floor and the bracing for the fuel cell. A lot of stuff done, but not everything. There's the fuel pump. I've got a couple of filters. If you can, check out Evil Energy for your fuel system needs. They've got pumps, lines, E85 safe stuff. They've got catch cans. They even make carburetors now, which is a plus. We didn't get to the MSD install. This is the rest of the kit for the key locks. I'll do that this week. Fuse panel. I don't even remember what's in this box. Okay, have a good week, guys. And check out Art Captain, check out Evil Energy. Thanks to both of them. Art Captain's having a huge Black Friday sale. I'm gonna do a video this week on that also. If you need fuel system stuff, click on the link in the description of this video at Evil Energy and I can save you, I think, another 10%. The promo code for that is Mugg. As always, Art Captain supports the channel. Support them if you can. I'll have that link in the description also. I can save you, I think, I'm not sure if it's 5 or 10%, but it's good stuff and it's already cheap. Side note, if anybody has a flow tube for a C&L mass air meter, for 30-pound injectors. I think it's the red 105. I need one. I'm gonna try to find one, but I don't even know if that company's still around. You guys have a safe week, have fun, go build something, and we'll talk to you next Sunday.